XP. Hello, henchman. I am also henchman. I've been discovered! Holy shit, he's spraying the fuck out of me!
So in this video, my voice is kind of damaged because I recorded a very loud song, and then I played Uno, and I screamed a lot because my friends are assholes. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to keep using my old intro because I'm too lazy to try and make a new one. Enjoy. Don't believe everything you see.
Help me! Stop it! I'm on the pills, I'm not shit! Another one of my cockpit!
Swim. Wait, why am I swimming? Ow! Wait, isn't the helicopter up there though?
Yeah.
Are we not gonna get the helicopter?
Fuck a helicopter.
I mean, yes, we probably should get the helicopter.
Nah.
My man actually said fuck the helicopter. We on the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
Alright.
Okay.
No, I'm joking. Get out of there.
Let's go!
Ow. Let me drive a boat. Why has this happened? We
Ah,
have turned around.
Shit.
Get off.
No, we're good, we're good, we're good. I'm sick. Dude, I'm sick at this.
Alright, well now we got two boats.
I'm trying to boat. Ah, shit, land boat. Ah, you thought land boat. Ah, shit.
Fuck.
Ah, I got you.
What the fuck did my thing just do?
Do we go off here?
We can literally ride all the way around.
Oh, I didn't realize.
That's why I grabbed boats instead. Oh wow.
Did you just hit me?
Yeah, it boosted you a little.
Okay, how did you even do that? How did you manage to do that? That was so sick.
That was so smooth. Now let's take it around and go up the river for the supply drop. Nice rocket. Oh fuck.
That was sick. Meow. That was amazing. Yo! Did you just do that? Why are we going back in the boats?
I think it's useful.
That's my boat.
No, it's not.
Oh wait, my boat's up here. Wait, where'd my boat go?
It's right there where I just shot.
It's not there on my screen. Oh, I see it. Oh,
I turned it
Okay.
around for you.
I'm kidding on your boat. Okay, why are we over here?
Get in your boat.
No. Oh, fine. No. Oh, you just launched my boat away. Ah, yeah, tree.